I am super excited because my Amazon order just arrived. I'm not sure what's in this box because I ordered 3 things. A mini stepper, a blender, and the pumpkin spice syrup Starbucks uses, so I can make my own pumpkin spices. Judging by the size, I suppose it's gonna be the blender in here, but let's see. Woo! I don't know why they use a prime label to wrap my box, because I don't have prime, and I hope I didn't order it by mistake like I did 2 years ago. Ooh, it's a blender. I'm so happy for this because I was able to get a pink blender. Ta-da! I got a really good deal. I think Breville is quite a good brand for kitchen stuff, and I only paid £20 for it. It was on discount. So if you wanna buy it, you can find the link in the video description. Okay, let's see. So, ooh, this is one of the bottles. Yeah. And then here's the actual blender. Yeah, this is just like a portable bottle, I think, if I want to make myself a smoothie and then pack it. Ooh, or I could put this cap and use this for blending. So I can use both bottles for blending, and then this is the to-go cap, so I just need to switch the caps. Okay, oh, I just love pink stuff. Everything to be pink, and I'm also happy because it's gonna match my juicer. I have a juice, like one of the big ones that you can make carrot juice with, things like that. Oh, pink and white, this is so pretty. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So I have no excuse to not eating healthy now. Blend, blend. I'll put this guy to use very soon. I have to buy some spinach and oranges, because that makes really good and healthy smoothies. Okay, now I have to go get ready for my computer science induction. Talk to you later. Guess what? After I came back from my induction, my other Amazon orders arrived. Yes, my other 2 items arrived today, and it was a very nice surprise. By the way, at the induction, I made a really nice friend. She's from a different city. She's commuting. She's really nice. I'm happy I met her, and it's actually really funny because since this is IT, and usually guys are more interested in IT than girls, there were 80% boys at the induction and only about 20% girls or less. So everyone was looking at us something like, are you sure you got to the right place, or are you doing something else and you ended up at this induction by mistake? Something like that. It was fun. This came, so this is my pumpkin spice syrup. I am so happy. I haven't realized this was gonna be so big. I paid £12 for this, but I think I'm gonna make quite a lot of pumpkin spiced lattes with this, so it's definitely a save in the long run versus like paying $3.50 or $4 for coffee in town. Now I'll be able to make it myself. Man, I'm just overwhelmed. I didn't expect this bottle was gonna be so big. I want to see how it smells. I think it's just super concentrated. I'll tell you if I like it or not tomorrow. when I make my coffee. Not sure if it's like... Yeah, so it tastes really good. I can't wait for tomorrow morning to make myself a coffee and put some of this in it. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Now I wish I had some decaf coffee so I can have a pumpkin spice now. But you see, I don't really like how decaf coffee tastes, but I think I can start drinking it now because it will probably taste like pumpkin more than anything else. And this is the third item. So, this box is so big, you can't even see. This is my mini stepper. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, does it mean that I should work out tonight? Oh, this is so cool. Oh, heavy. Look. Okay, I'm gonna show you the machine later. I'm not gonna go into the kitchen and put my meat there, put my burger there. I'm gonna have cheeseburgers tonight. Don't know why I call it cheeseburgers, because I promise I'm only gonna have one, so I'm gonna go get my cheeseburger ready.